and you're trying to save money? Well, staying away from the cleaning aisle will help save money. You can make homemade cleaner yourself and save a lot of money and your time. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to make homemade cleaner yourself to save money. Using what you already have, you can make almost any product that you need for your kitchen and home to do cleaning with. In today's video, we're making a homemade refrigerator cleaner. Are you like me and your refrigerator looks like a tornado hit it? Well, in today's video, we're going to make a homemade cleaner using what we got to clean our fridge. Mine looks awful, and I'm ashamed to show it, but I'm going to show you how this cleaner works. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, the first thing you're going to need is a spray bottle and a funnel to pour your stuff in. To use the funnel so you don't make a mess, to pour it in your bottle. And the first thing I'm going to add is a half a cup of water. Now you can make a bigger batch of this, but I'm just trying to make enough to clean my fridge one time. And then I'm going to add a half a cup of white vinegar. And this may last like 2 times. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of our Dawn detergent. I'm actually going to just put it in the bottle without the funnel, if I can, without making a mess. That way I don't get the soap on my funnel. Let's see. Just pour it in there. Okay, so that's 1 teaspoon of Blue Dawn, a half a cup of vinegar, and a half a cup of water. Okay, and then now to that, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of just regular lemon juice. And if you had fresh lemons, you could also use them. Now we're just going to give that a mix. You can see it's got the blue tint from the Blue Dawn, and it's making your bubbles to fight the grease or whatever you've got in your refrigerator that's spoilt on your shelves. Okay, let's go see how it works. Brace yourself, it's a mess. You can see how dirty that shelf is and how I've tucked my drawers already out with my produce in it, but something got spilt. I believe it was like some kind of gravy from Thanksgiving. But now let's take these out. And we're going to spray it real good with our homemade cleaner. And then we're going to let it sit for around probably 5 to 10 minutes. And while you've got your refrigerator soaking, you can turn the cooling agent off. Once you get all your food out of there while you're cleaning, just make sure you cut it back on. But now we're going to let that soak for around 10 minutes and see how our homemade cleaner turns out. Now we're just going to wipe it all down and see how our shelf turns out to look using our homemade refrigerator cleaner that we made using what we have to save money. Okay, that's what it looks like. I've got to take the glass out to get to that part, but that's just the results from one spray on. Now we got to take this out. Look how easy that came up. There's still a few spots right there that's sort of stuck. But overall, I believe that homemade cleaner works great. Now we've got to get this shelf out so I can get to that. I'm just going to spray this down and let it soak. Now we got to flip it over and do the other side. Y'all comment down below if your refrigerator needs a good cleaning after the holidays. We done a lot of cooking. So now I've got to get it all cleaned up. And I thought I would share a homemade cleaning product just for your refrigerator, but you can use it on other appliances also. It would be great to clean your stove, your counters, and adding just that little bit of lemon juice even gives it a good lemon smell, just like the cleaners you buy. With the vinegar. The vinegar gives everything a clean smell. Looks a lot better. Now let's get it put back in the refrigerator. Okay, so overall, our homemade refrigerator cleaner worked out perfect. Today we're all trying to save money. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to save money on making some homemade cleaner yourself. It's simple and easy, using what you have already on hand. Okay, y'all, that's our little video on how we made homemade refrigerator cleaner. I hope you give it a try, and if you like it, comment down below. Don't forget to give our video a thumbs up, and if you hadn't already, subscribe if you like what you're seeing on our channel. And like always, thanks for watching.